Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make Google your default search engine in both Chrome and Microsoft Edge browsers. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is Chrome's menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browsers. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories. Click on Search Engine from this list. This section controls which search engine Chrome uses when you type queries in the address bar or search box. Now you'll be able to see your current default search engine displayed on the screen. Right beside it, you'll notice a Change button. Click on this button and a window will pop up showing you all available search engine options. Find the radio button next to Google and click on it to select it, then click Set as Default to confirm your choice. This ensures that all your searches in Chrome will now go through Google. Now let's move on to Microsoft Edge. Open your Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Just like in Chrome, look at the upper right corner and click on the three horizontal dots to open Edge's menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings to access Edge's configuration options. Once you're in the Edge settings page, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains various privacy and search-related settings for your browser. After clicking that, you'll need to find and click on Search and Connected Experiences. This opens up more specific search options. From there, locate and click on Address Bar and Search, which controls what happens when you type in Edge's address bar. Now you'll see your current default search engine displayed. Next to it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and you'll see a list of available search engines. Choose Google from this list by clicking on it. Edge will immediately apply this change, making Google your default search engine for all searches performed in the address bar. And that's it. You've successfully set Google as your default search engine in both Chrome and Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.